Are you living your life in wellness and harmony, or do you feel something is off balance? We often move through life oblivious to the subtle imbalances within us, but these imbalances, they have a way of making themselves known, be it through physical discomfort, emotional upheaval, or spiritual unrest. The key to overall well-being lies in maintaining a harmonious balance. To restore balance and promote wellness, we must understand the 7 chakras and how to balance them. Starting from the base of the spine, the first chakra, known as the root chakra, grounds us in our physical world. This chakra, represented by a vibrant, powerful red, serves as our life force, our connection to the earth beneath our feet. It ties us to our primal instincts, our survival, our feelings of safety and security. The element associated with the root chakra is the earth itself. It's our grounding force, reminding us of our human nature and our place in the world. When balanced, this chakra brings us stability, strength, and a sense of being grounded. To bring harmony to the root chakra, grounding exercises are key. You might spend some time barefoot outside, feeling the earth under your feet. Meditation focused on the base of your spine can also help, as can incorporating more red foods into your diet. A balanced root chakra keeps us secure, stable, and full of life. Just above the root chakra, the sacral chakra fuels our creativity and passion. Known as Svadhisthana in Sanskrit, this energy center is symbolized by the color orange and is associated with the water element. It is located in the lower abdomen, igniting our feelings of pleasure, sexuality, and artistic expression. The sacral chakra governs our ability to relate to others and the world around us. It is the wellspring from where our creative energy and passion for life emerge. When in balance, it allows us to be vibrant, friendly, and passionate. Balancing the sacral chakra can be achieved through engaging in creative activities, such as painting or dancing. Hip-opening exercises like yoga can also help to unlock this energy center, promoting a healthy flow of energies. Incorporating orange foods such as oranges and carrots into our diet also nourishes the sacral chakra, aligning it with its associated color. A balanced sacral chakra allows us to express our emotions and passions freely. Located in our stomach area, the solar plexus chakra is our source of personal power and self-confidence. It's the wellspring of our individuality and sense of self. This chakra, represented by the color yellow and the element of fire, fuels our ambition, motivation, and personal growth. The solar plexus chakra, often associated with the sun, is our inner powerhouse. It's the core of our identity and our ability to achieve our dreams. When it's in balance, we feel empowered, confident, and ready to take on the world. How can we balance this chakra? Practicing self-affirmations is a powerful method. Speak to yourself with kindness and assertiveness. Boost your inner strength. Also, engage in exercises that focus on your stomach area, like Pilates or yoga. They strengthen your core physically and energetically. Lastly, incorporate yellow foods into your diet, like bananas or corn. A balanced solar plexus chakra gives us the courage to take control of our lives. The heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras are crucial for love, communication, intuition, and spiritual connection, respectively. Starting with the heart chakra. Located at the center of the chest, it is associated with the color green and the element of air. The heart chakra is the wellspring of love, warmth, compassion, and joy. It's the binding force that connects us with others and fosters feelings of empathy and forgiveness. To balance this chakra, practice compassion and forgiveness, not just towards others, but also towards yourself. Next, we have the throat chakra. Situated in the region of the neck and shoulders, it resonates with the color blue and is linked to the element of ether or space. This chakra is our voice in the world, the gateway to communication, self-expression, and truth. Balancing the throat chakra involves speaking your truth fearlessly and listening to others with an open mind. The third eye chakra, found on the forehead between the eyes, is associated with the color indigo and the element of light. It serves as the center of intuition, foresight, and mental clarity. When this chakra is balanced, we see things as they are, free from illusion. Methods to balance this chakra include meditation, visualization exercises, and fostering a sense of inner awareness. Finally, we come to the crown chakra. Located at the top of the head, it vibrates with the color violet and is associated with the element of thought or pure consciousness. This chakra is the center of enlightenment, spiritual connection, and self-realization. It's through the crown chakra that we connect with the universe and achieve a sense of peace and unity. To balance this chakra, engage in spiritual practices, mindfulness, and meditation that foster a sense of connection with the larger universe. Balancing these chakras allows us to love deeply, speak truthfully, see clearly, and connect spiritually. Each chakra carries its unique energy and purpose, and by aligning them, we harmonize our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves, leading us towards a life of wellness, harmony, and inner peace. In our journey towards wellness and harmony, understanding and balancing our chakras play a vital role. We've traversed the terrain of our energetic bodies, exploring the vivid world of chakras, from the grounding root chakra, linked with our basic need for survival, to the expansive crown chakra, connected with our spiritual enlightenment. Each chakra serves a unique purpose in our overall well-being. The sacral chakra, brimming with creativity and emotional balance, when harmonized, allows us to appreciate the beauty in life. The solar plexus chakra, our personal power station, enables us to stand our ground with confidence when it is in balance. The heart chakra, the bridge between our physical and spiritual selves, opens us to love and compassion. The throat chakra empowers us to communicate our truth, while the third eye chakra enhances our intuition and awareness. Each chakra has its own balancing method, from meditation and visualization to yoga and sound therapy. These methods, when used mindfully, can help us align our chakras, bringing us closer to a state of wellness and harmony. We have learned that our chakras are more than just energy centers. They are intrinsic elements of our existence. They shape our emotions, our behaviors, our perceptions, and ultimately our health and happiness. By balancing our chakras, we take a significant step towards living a life of wellness and harmony. Remember, the path to wellness is a journey, not a destination.